Hi, today we're gonna make shrimp with egg and Chinese chive. And that's the chive we're gonna use. About half a pound. Cut it small pieces. And you wash them and kind of dry them first. And then you cut it in about half-inch size, maybe an inch okay, inches even. Doesn't matter, if you want a bigger. I cut it about half an inch to an inch. So, okay. Crack about 6 eggs. Okay, here's 6 eggs here. So we have to put some seasoning in it. A little bit of salt, just a little bit. Then some pepper, black pepper. Then some sesame seed oil, teaspoon or so. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. 1, 2. Kind of mix them up. Like that. Then you put the chive in it. Okay. See, just like that. We're going to use about half a pound of shrimp. We use a small medium here. But you can use a smaller one or smaller than these, or you can use a big shrimp. So you wait until the pan heat up. Then we're going to put some oil, 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, then you put the shrimp in it. And you kind of stick them over here like that. You stir them a little bit. The small ones are easier to cook, so I prefer using a smaller one myself. So they pretty much well done right now. Okay, then we're gonna put black pepper on. Just a little bit, you can see, and also some salt. After that, so we're ready to put the eggs into it. So you just put them on top, put the whole thing inside. And kind of go through the bottom of the egg. So make sure they're not stick on the bottom. Yeah, like that. Sprinkle a little bit of some oil into it, just a real small amount. And let it cook a little bit until you can see them hardening up a little bit. Okay, then you try to using these cut it kind of piece smaller patty, like that. So let it cook down. And the chive, they are really easy to cook. You don't need to cook it for a long time. They They're real easy to cook. Okay, I think they're cooked. So we're going to put it on the plate. Okay, this is shrimp with egg and Chinese chive.